Calculations on partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure. Alright. Remember, the law of partial pressure states that the total pressure exerted by the gas is the sum of the individual gases that makes up the mixture. Okay, so the question: a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen gas has a total pressure of 1.5 atm. If the partial pressure of oxygen is 0.5 atm, what is the partial pressure of nitrogen? Alright, so the P total there is 1.5 atm, the pressure of oxygen is 0.5 atm, and the pressure of nitrogen is unknown. So we have that P total equals to the pressure of nitrogen plus the pressure of oxygen. So 1.5 equal to 0.5 plus the pressure of nitrogen. Substituting. Okay. So we are going to rearrange it so you do not get confused. Okay, just a little rearrangement. P pressure of nitrogen plus 0.5 equal to 1.5. We collect like terms. Then we're going to have pressure of nitrogen equals to 1.5 minus 0.5. So the pressure of nitrogen is what? 1 atm. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscription button now.